Welcome back and continuing the news. Grief and heartbreak gripped family, friends and members of the security forces as they gathered to say their final goodbye to loved ones lost in a tragic drowning incident in Portmore months ago. Antonia Atkinson has details.
Tears and tributes marked an emotional send-off as mourners filled the church to honor 3 lives cut short. Camille Russell, the mother of 2 of the deceased, Aaron Russell and Alia Dawkins, shared touching memories. She explained that whenever they misbehaved, they would write letters as a form of apology, messages now treasured as lasting reminders of their love.
And I will try to do better in behaving myself more and be more respectful and try to do better. That is Aaron. He will always try to do better. I hope you will accept this apology from Aaron. We are trying our best to cooperate with you. I will always love you. You're the adult and mother, and I am the child, your daughter. I think I have been tremendously blessed to have given birth to children like these, because I tell you, they are so special. They are so special and they meant everything to me.
Speaking with the TVJ News, a family friend and neighbor described the children as loving and full of life. Memories now all that remain.
In times like these, what we have to do is we have to accept the reality of the situation. And the reality is that since New Year's, he has not been found. So what do we do? Do we continue waiting? So what we are doing is having a memorial service, and it has been accepted that we have lost him.
As final tributes, balloons surrounded the church in a symbolic celebration of life. The tragedy unfolded at Sandhill Beach in Helsha, St. Catherine on New Year's Day when Police Constable Shamar Grant attempted to rescue a 13-year-old boy and his sister who got into difficulties while swimming. The sister was later pulled from water and pronounced dead at hospital. Constable Grant and the boy were swept away. Both the bodies remain unaccounted for. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.